guys, welcome back. I hope you guys had a great weekend. If you didn't check it out already yesterday, I uploaded 2 videos, so check those out. It seems like the view count is really low, so maybe you guys haven't seen them, but really proud of the GFCI tester one, so go check that out. It's kind of long, 16 minutes, but really in-depth if you don't know what those are used for. So today I went ahead and threw these panel guts in. So as you know, before the cans were already sitting here, but went and threw the guts in. Basically, you just hold it up there, put it on the little threads, and then screw it in with the little wing nuts. So not the lightest thing in the world, but I went ahead and terminated these feeders right here. So black, red, blue, neutral, ground over there. And I just threw the packets of screws and stuff that came in the box at the bottom of the panel. So I did, I think, 6 or 7 of these. Actually, it's probably 6, but one of them wasn't. It was like messed up. So, anyways, you'll see it in a second. But this is the first one, and then this is the second one over here. So this is probably one of my favorite ones. Just nice and straight, rudely interrupted. So, anyways, this one's pretty nice and straight. So that's the way you want it coming into the breakers. It looks prettier, but also left did a nice roll of tape on each one of these. So anyways, I'll show you the other ones upstairs. They're a little different. Other people did them, but anyways, so that's the second one. This is the third one right here. This is another long panel. So these ones are probably the biggest wires of the day. These are probably 500s. So I just I would have rather put these down a little bit further and then straight up, yeah, didn't get to that. So anyways, these still need to be tightened down. I didn't have the big Allen for those, but I got these tightened down. Yeah, I think I got that one done and that one done, so all the grounds and stuff like that. But anyways, these are super hard to bend, but obviously the better, or more of a 90 degrees looks better, but probably also damages the wire a little bit more. But anyways, or like spreads it apart. But anyways, so lots of tape, looks pretty. So that's the third one, and then I'll go upstairs. Actually, no, there's some around the corner, so I will show you those real quick. All right, and here is the fourth one over here. This one's the emergency panel. So these are pretty straight as well. See, this is what I was talking about, kind of just bending it down closer to the bottom and then straight up. It looks better, but it could possibly fray the wires out a little bit more, so, but it shouldn't really matter. But anyways, nice and straight. So that's the fourth one, emergency. Time to go upstairs. This is the one I was telling you about. This is the wrong tub or something, because these holes don't line up into these studs right here. So it's 6 inches too long, so this is 6 inches too short. So probably have to replace that, unfortunately. And just basically get the right panel cover or the panel tub, and then re-drill these holes and then put it back together. So that would have been the 5th one, but this is the 4th one. And then here are the other ones I was working on. This is the 5th one I just finished, and then started working on the 6th one over here. Ran out of time, but so if you guys remember, this is all my flex. So I just put these in pretty decently straight, not all the way to the bottom of the panel, but is what it is. And then yeah, so I've just been doing like a whatever 9-10 inches of tape or whatever. The other people have just been doing like the little candy canes, but I'm not sure which one they want or if it matters, but I think it looks a little bit better just to wrap it all the way. It's kind of a waste of tape, but I've always seen it done that way. But if they want it done that way, it doesn't matter to me, I'll do it that way. So just always do what your company asks of you, even if it's against code or whatnot. Just, you always want to make your company happy, because if you don't, then you'll probably get fired, because they're going to get mad at you for not following their directions. So anyways, just do what your company asks, even if it's against code or whatever. Not saying that this is against code or anything, but I worked at another company before where it told me to do a bunch of stuff before that I didn't feel comfortable doing or whatever exactly, but it was never really a problem, just the way that they know the inspectors or whatnot. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, just a little panel termination here, but anyways, don't forget to check out the last 2 videos that I did Sunday, March 31st, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow, and don't forget to check out the links down below in the social media and stuff like that. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe if you're new or want to support me, or enjoy the content and want to see more tomorrow. Alright guys, see you later. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.